What's good, guys? We're back at it. I am Mr. Lima, and I thank you for tuning again with me. Today, we're gonna be putting frame sliders. So I have to look at the instructions because I'm confused how to do it. And yeah, let's get to it. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe if you enjoy what you see, and share the video. So right now, I got a jack on the bottom holding the engine in case it falls off. Removing the bolts for the engine. There it is. Well, holds the engine on the bike. This. Chances of the engine falling off, huh? You fucking little thing here. I mean, very little. Snug it. Should go right in. Oh, sure. My GoPro died. Right now I'm just putting on this part. We're gonna torque everything 40 foot-pounds. And that's how you install T-Rex Racing frame slider on your Ducati A48 Evo. Clean. Should have painted them black, but let's make sure everything's all set. And then the final step, to remove the jack and hope your engine doesn't fall off. It's a 30 millimeter. This is all damaged from the low side. It's all damaged right there on the bottom. I'm gonna be replacing it. With this one, a black one. First I wanna see what the torque is on it. So I'll be torquing it down to 50 foot-pounds. And there's a washer on it. Put that washer on the other new one. Put it back in place. And then just torque it to 50 foot-pounds. And that's it. That's the easiest job ever. All right, so what we're gonna need to do first, remove the stand. Menu is pretty straightforward. 5 steps and it goes. Step number 1, safety glasses. Safety is number 1. Then some gloves so you won't get your beautiful hands dirty. Protect from any dirt, debris. So one side has a spacer, the other one doesn't. So the side that doesn't have the spacer, it goes on the brake side, so it goes in here. And then this part right here goes into the nut on the other side. So in the instruction says, remove the left side, which is the clutch side, the nut side, okay? And just insert it. Pretty simple. Insert the bar right here. And it comes out on the other side. And then just put a little bit of blue Loctite on the bolt. Just like that. Insert it through here first. Hold the other side you put. Then just tighten it. Then it says torque it to 10 foot-pounds of torque. So once you snug it, work. Snug it up. And like it says, torque it to 10 foot-pounds. 10 foot-pounds. 10 foot-pounds is not much, guys, so don't over-tighten it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. And I hope you have a wonderful day or night or morning. See ya.